Today we're going to look at the Endy Mattress. The Endy Mattress labels itself as a mattress for Canadians by Canadians. And by that I mean it's only available to purchase in Canada. Now I had a chance to review the original Endy Mattress about 3.5 years ago, and since then they've made some really significant improvements. So let's dive in and take a look. The Endy Mattress has a number of unique upgrades since the original. What I found is that the zipper is actually located in the middle of the mattress, and the reason they put that there is it's easy to remove. And this is actually a machine washable cover, so if you spill coffee on it or anything like that, you can just throw it in the wash and it cleans right up. Now I always recommend a waterproof mattress protector, but if you forget that or you just don't want to use this, again, you're backed by that ability to just throw it in the washing machine. Now when we talk about the inner layers, what really does most of the work is the top layer of the Endy foam. That's 2 inches of breathable open cell foam that acts like latex, so very responsive, easy to move around on. Underneath that, you get 3 inches of the transition foam. That foam is really going to cradle you and provide a layer between the Endy foam and the base foam, so you'll sink in without hitting that base foam. Now you get the 5 inches of base foam, which when you put it on any firm surface, it could even be the floor, that's going to even you out across the mattress and just provide a consistent sleeping surface. This all adds up to a 10-inch mattress, and because it's made with a water-based adhesive, I noticed that there really wasn't much off-gassing. In fact, you could probably sleep on this within hours after opening it up. Now the Endy is a truly versatile mattress. I know I say that a lot with some of these mattresses, but again, you really don't want to mess with perfection. 3 layers is the right amount of layering. Sometimes going over that, it gets a little bit too fancy. What I really like is that top layer of the Endy foam. Again, very responsive and breathable. If you're a hot sleeper, doesn't matter what position you're in, you're really going to notice the benefits of that top layer dissipating some of that heat. And actually, I was pretty surprised when I slept on my side, it cradled me. Just make sure you've got a pillow that's the right height, that's going to really address the neck support, and that's going to take a lot of the pain off your shoulder. You're going to sleep perfect. Back and stomach sleepers, you're going to sleep just fine on this mattress. The Endy Mattress retails for $850 Canadian. Now you're backed by a 100-night trial. That means you can try it out in the comfort of your home for 100 nights. If you don't like it, Endy's going to work with you. What I like about Endy is that they really do take care of you. In fact, if you don't like it, they're going to work with you to get that mattress out of your house and match you up with a charity that will take it. So it's not just going into a landfill. So you can feel good about it, even if you don't like it, that it is still serving a purpose. Now, if you do end up liking the Endy mattress, you're backed by a 10-year warranty. And like I said, Endy's one of the first mattresses that I reviewed over 3.5 years ago. So they've been around a long time, and I expect them to be around long enough to honor that 10-year warranty. So all in all, the Endy mattress has really evolved into something that is going to have a universal feel. I really like what they've done with the Endy foam. That's that top layer. You get great breathability and great recovery. And like I said, it is versatile enough for any sleep position out there. Plus you get the added bonus of the machine washable cover. You get the 100-night trial. If you don't like it, they're going to try and match you up with a charity to donate it to. So just head on over to sleepsherpa.com. We have a special section for Canadian mattresses. So we list all the Canadian online brands out there, and you can see how the Endy compares to some of the competition. Plus, you can take advantage of the latest discounts.